Hi guys, I've got this beautiful house coming up in Minto, number 18 Randall Avenue, massive block, 563 square meters, and you've got granny flat potential in here, side access over here as well. Okay, so you got that carport there, 3-bedroom house within 5 minutes walk to Al Faisal School. You've got everything within 2 to 3 minutes drive. I'm going to take you through. It's a renovator's dream, something where you could come in, put in your own charm into the place. So that's your laundry here. You've got the kitchen in here as well, gas cooking, which is important. So that's the kitchen there. That's the shower area, separate toilet. That's the third bedroom there, bedroom number 2, and that's the master bedroom. Lots of sunlight into the house. You've got a nice living area here, separate dining over there as well, and the owners have kept it immaculately. Yes, it's about a 40-year-old house, big frontage as well, and great location.